You are allowed to feel everything. Welcome, dear soul. This is your gentle voice note for the day. A quiet space where your emotions are not too much, where your tears, your overwhelm, and your softness all have permission to exist. Today's whisper is simple but deeply needed. You are allowed to feel everything. In the world of homemaking, where we nurture, support, clean, cook, respond, and repeat, it's so easy to push our own feelings aside. We tell ourselves, I shouldn't feel this sad. I don't have time to be tired. It's not a big deal. Other women are managing better, so why can't I? But let me say this clearly. You don't need to justify your emotions to feel them. Let me share something real with you. A homemaker I know, a woman with a gentle voice and the softest heart, once told me that she cried quietly in the kitchen while chopping vegetables. No one knew, not her partner, not her children. She smiled through it all, but inside she was exhausted, stretched thin, and aching to be seen. And when I asked her why she didn't speak up, she whispered, because it didn't feel big enough to matter. Oh, but it does matter. Every ache you carry in silence still speaks. And the truth is, your emotions don't have to be dramatic to be important. Whether it's irritation from being misunderstood, loneliness after a whole day of serving others, or just a strange heaviness you can't explain, you are allowed to feel it. You are allowed to be both grateful and tired, both loving and overwhelmed, both peaceful and sensitive at the same time. So, here's what I invite you to do today. Whatever you are, take a slow, soft breath in and exhale through your mouth. Let it be audible if it wants to be. Now, quietly ask yourself, what am I truly feeling right now? Don't filter it, don't fix it. Just name it like a dear friend arriving at your doorstep. Maybe you feel forgotten, maybe you feel frustrated, maybe you feel incredibly grateful and a little guilty for feeling tired anyway. Write it down or whisper it to yourself. That's enough for now. You don't need to change it. Just be with it. Dear heart, you are not wrong for feeling deeply. You are not dramatic. You are not weak. You are a woman of great emotional depth, and that's part of your gift. You don't need permission to feel, but if it helps, here it is. I give you permission to feel everything that's inside you without guilt. You are doing beautifully, even on the hard days. Come back tomorrow and we will sit with something new together. Until then, breathe, feel, and know you are never alone in your